In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from each other over time, which means that the universe was smaller in the past and has been continuously expanding. In the 1960s, scientists discovered radiation coming from all directions in the sky, which is the thermal remnant of an explosion that had occurred. With these discoveries, the Big Bang theory began to take shape. According to this theory, billions of years ago, there was nothing, no stars, no planets, no Earth, and no sky. The universe was just a tiny point, smaller than an atom, yet containing everything within it. There was neither space nor time. Everything was compressed into that mysterious point that scientists call the singularity. Then, in an unimaginable instant, the explosion happened. It wasn't an ordinary explosion like that of a grenade, but rather a massive expansion, where that tiny point began to stretch rapidly, spreading energy, matter, time, and space itself. In a fraction of a second, the universe was born. At first, everything was extreme heat and incredibly dense energy. Elementary particles collided and fused, forming the first building blocks of everything we see today. Over time, these particles began to come together, forming the first atoms, particularly hydrogen and helium. Hundreds of millions of years later, gravity started to play its role, bringing gases together to form the first stars and galaxies. The first stars were massive factories, transforming light elements into heavier ones, like carbon and iron, elements that would later become part of planets and part of us. Billions of years passed, star clusters formed, galaxies were born, and among all this grandeur, our galaxy, the Milky Way, took shape. Then the Sun appeared, followed by a small blue planet, Earth. Scientists believe that the universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, and that it may either continue expanding forever or slow down and collapse in a reverse explosion known as the Big Crunch. Although the Big Bang is just a theory, it raises many logical questions for humanity. The most important one is whether this explosion was the absolute beginning or if something existed before it. Finally, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and check out one of the 2 videos shown on the screen.